Pianotek offers a variety of keytop materials. We not only supply key recovering shops, rebuilders, and individual technicians who like to do their own work, but we also use many of these materials in our in-house key recovering, which is now going into its 22nd year. We often receive calls about what keytops fit a particular piano, or about color differences and things of that nature. We thought it might be helpful and instructive if you could actually see our materials close and up front. First of all, it's important to point out that keytops are not brand specific. When someone calls and says they need a set of keytops for a 1918 Hallett & Davis, well, it just doesn't quite work out that way. This first group of materials have the advantage of being able to fit any size key. Since they're not pre-molded, they will require some combination of machining and hand sculpting to achieve the finished product. We really don't recommend these if you're doing all of your work by hand. The time required far outweighs any profit you can make. The first one is a very durable, high-end Japanese acrylic. These are the ones we use for almost all of our in-house key recovering job. They're cut to the size of the key and are cut about a 1/16 over the key size all the way around the entire key. They can also be used in conjunction with our key front material, which is available in 30 thousandths, 40, 50, or 60 thousandths thicknesses. Here's an example of the finished product of the Japanese acrylic, with a combination of machining and hand sculpting. Because Pianotek has a long-standing partnership with Kluge in Germany, the world's largest manufacturer of keyboards, we are able to offer two very unique key recovering materials from Kluge. The first is called Ivoplast. This material is the material that you would find on any brand new Steinway in any showroom in the United States. The second material is called Theran. This is a very high-end, high mineral content keytop with a very warm color and is almost cold to the touch. This material appeals to professional pianists who want a very high-end, unique material, but not bone or ivory, and sometimes, for whatever reasons, really can't tolerate the feel of normal plastic keytops. Our second group of materials features pre-molded keytops that are ready to glue on. This first set is from Kluge in Germany. These come in pre-molded octave sections with a standard 1 15/16 head scale. While they can be used in key recovering, they are really ideal for new keyboards since they're glued to the keyboard blank in the octave sections and then cut apart later with the bandsaw. These are the ones that we use in our new keyboard manufacturing department here at Pianotek. This next set is from Japan. They are also in octave sections, but as you can see, the fronts are separated. And it's easy to break apart the keytops. As you can see, they break away easily, and you have a very minimal amount of flashing that's very easily filed off. These are particularly good for Yamaha and Bosendorfer or any other piano that has a little larger head scale. These measure 2 inches on this head scale. Finally, these sets from Germany are by far the easiest to install and consequently are our very best sellers. The biggest advantage is that they come in pre-molded individual pieces with a very professional sculpted look. The head scale is the standard 1 15/16, and they're suitable for nearly any piano. Since every keyboard is a bit different dimensionally, there may be some extra filing that you'll need to do, sometimes at the notch or along the sides. They're available in what we call an off-white or a very light cream color, and they're also available, as you can see, without fronts.